there's a massive shift happening right now. We're living in a time where people are turning their ideas into income faster than ever before. And it's not because they're smarter, it's because they're using smarter tools. I've seen it. People sitting on great stories, powerful lessons, incredible knowledge, and they never publish. They get stuck, they overthink, and they watch everyone else cash in. That ends today. Because now, with StudioBook AI, you can literally speak your book into existence. You talk. It writes, formats, and polishes. You don't need to be Hemingway. You don't need to hire anyone. You just use your voice, and the system does the heavy lifting. Writers, coaches, entrepreneurs. This is your golden ticket. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and digital bookstores are booming. People are selling thousands of AI-assisted books every single week. Why shouldn't that be you? I'm telling you, this is how winners think. When opportunity knocks, you don't wait, you act. StudioBook AI is the fastest, simplest way to build real income with your own voice. And yes, there are free bonuses waiting to be claimed. Click the link in bio before they're gone. If you're not using AI to hit your financial goals in 2025, then when will you? Don't sit this one out. To learn everything about StudioBook AI, visit theproductoasis.com and look for StudioBook AI, or just follow the link in the description below.